Find x, given that 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 1 equals 36. Let's jump straight into it. So given 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 1 equals 36. From our knowledge in indices, if I have a number a raised to the power m minus n, this can be written as a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, which is also the same as a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n. So from this, given 3 raised to the power x minus 1, it can be written as 3 raised to the power x over 3 raised to the power 1. This equal to 36. From here, I have 3 raised to the power x here. I have 3 raised to the power x over 3 raised to the power 1. I can factorize 3 raised to the power x out, which is going to give us 3 raised to the power x. Now what is left here? Here it is left with 1 plus what is left here, 1 on 3, close bracket, equals 36. From this, I have 3 raised to the power x, open bracket, that is 1 plus 1 over 3. So that is, we are adding them because they are like terms. I have here to be 4 over 3 equals 36. From this, it is just like having a number and a coefficient and a variable. Maybe 2 raised to the power a is equal to a certain number 4. We want a, so we divide here by 2. That's what we have over here. So we have 3 raised to the power x, 4 over 3 equals 36. We have 3x here, so we divide both sides by 4 over 3, divide here by 4 over 3. Now dividing by 4 over 3 is the same as having 3 raised to the power x, 4 over 3 times 3 over 4, then equals 36 times 3 over 4. From this will cancel this 1, this will cancel this 1, leaving 3 raised to the power x here equals 4 goes into 36, 4 here 1, 4 here 9. I have 9 times 3 is giving us 27. From this, 27 can be simplified as 3 raised to the power 3. Now 3 raised to the power 3 will give us 27. The bases are the same. Therefore, we can conclude that x is equal to 3. Do follow us for more of this. Goodbye.